Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to earn commissions by promoting products, becoming a Temu affiliate is a fantastic opportunity, and let me show you how it works. The first thing is you have to join the Temu's affiliate program, and before you do that you have to create an account in Temu by downloading the app if you're using your mobile phone, or download it from the app store if you're using an iPhone. And if you're using your computer, you can access the link via your web browser. Just type in the search bar temu.com and access the website. After that, scroll to the bottom of the home page and look for the affiliate programs link. Sign up by providing your details and any relevant links to your website or social media accounts. After you do that, get your affiliate links. Now once approved, you'll receive unique affiliate links for products or categories. Use these links to promote Temu products. And the third thing you want to do is promote Temu products. And to do that, you just have to share your affiliate links through social media, blogs, or email campaigns, and highlight products, features, benefits, and your personal experience with them. Use creative visuals and engaging content to attract clicks, and track your performance by logging into your affiliate dashboard to monitor clicks, conversions, and earnings. You can also adjust promotional strategies based on performance metrics, and earn commission for every purchase made through your affiliate's link. Temu process layouts regularly to ensure your payment details are up to date. You can also focus on a niche audience to increase conversion rates, and use Temu's promotional tools like banner products or widgets for better visibility. And build trust with your audience by promoting products you genuinely believe in. And that's it for today's tutorials. These were some informations about how to affiliate with Temu. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.